Meet the Makita GA4530R angle grinder, a powerful and lightweight tool designed for welders, masons, and fabricators. With a 720-watt motor boosting up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, a slim body, and an ergonomically angled side handle, it offers comfort and precision. Plus, features like soft start, lock-on switch, and dust protection make it a must-have for any job. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use angle grinder? The Einhell 115mm angle grinder with 750 watts packs a punch, reaching up to 11,000 revolutions per minute. It's perfect for cutting, grinding, polishing, or sharpening, with safety features like a restart safeguard and a wheel guard. Its ergonomic handle and quick spindle lock make your job smoother. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Dewinner Corded Angle Grinder, a powerful 850-watt tool that easily handles cutting, grinding, and polishing tasks on metal, wood, ceramic, and more. With a compact 115mm disc, 6 versatile discs included, and safety features like a disc cover and accidental restart prevention, it's perfect for both DIY projects and professional use. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful, versatile angle grinder? The DeWalt 18V Flathead Angle Grinder packs a punch with its brushless motor, offering improved performance in a compact, ergonomic design. Perfect for tight spaces, it features an electronic clutch, quick stop brake, and a comfortable 2-position side handle, making your job easier and safer. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the CP Chant Power 115mm 900-watt corded angle grinder, perfect for cutting, grinding, and polishing like a pro. With a powerful motor, adjustable side handles, quick wheel changes, and a safety switch, it's designed for ease and safety. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, this tool will elevate your projects. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Einhell Power X-Change 18 Volt Cordless Angle Grinder with a 4-inch disc. The perfect, lightweight, high-performance tool for cutting, grinding, and polishing metal and stone. With a powerful 8,500 revolutions per minute and safety features like soft start and restart safeguard, it makes tough jobs easier and safer. Plus, it's compatible with the entire Power X-Change battery family for cordless freedom. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Ryobi R18AG0 1+ 18-volt cordless angle grinder, perfect for quick, easy cuts and grinding on metal, tiles, or concrete. Its toolless guard, adjustable settings, and ergonomic grip make every job smoother. Plus, it's compatible with over 200 OnePlus tools, so you can power up your whole toolbox with one battery. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.